Freestyle Unit Records. Yeah, nigga, it's your boy Lil Pistol. New shit, young. Already. Murder on my mind. You already know, nigga. Be scared, motherfucker. You. What's up, nigga? It's your boy Lil Pistol in the block. You know how I do, motherfucker. Freestyle Unit. Hey, yo. New shit. Get 'em. Murder my mind. Murder my mind. Your baddies are dropping. It's about that time. Murder my mind. Murder my mind. Commit that crime. I'm tired of being kind. Murder my mind. Murder my mind. Your baddies are dropping. It's about that time. Murder my mind. Murder my mind. You commit that crime. I'm tired of being kind. Uh-oh. I'm tired of being kind to you motherfucker. Yeah, 2 burners, 2 nines. Little niggas come around with the meat. Committed the crime and I'm tired of being kind. You already know, see, I'm tired of these little niggas taking advantage. Little niggas, someone say thanks, son. I ain't got no manners. So fuck that, son. Let me give you discipline. So these little niggas how I do when you niggas ain't listening. They stand up and so you little niggas to dissing me. Like you wanna disrespect. So now I'ma throw my set. My life, nigga, don't forget. You motherfuckers come around with the boy. Moss in the game and I'm ready to destroy it. Make you ready swag. You niggas are talking noise. Little girls and little ass boys. But you ain't grown. Grown women and grown men and women. You already know how I do in the block, son. Now I'm tired of being gentle and you already know how I do. Time to change the game. Change the game plan. It's time to just murder everything that stand. And then you understand these motherfuckers think I'm a motherfucking plane. Think I'm a game you keep playing with. See these guns and I'ma spray your head. Little nigga non-stop. You already know even the bitch ass drop. Nigga, I'ma keep throwing shots. Little niggas keep fucking with me. MOB, that's how I do, nigga. You already know how I block in the block niggas in the game, nigga. Call the cop in. Murder my mind. Your bags are dropping. It's about that time. Murder my mind. Murder my mind. You commit that crime. I'm tired of being kind. Murder my mind. Murder my mind. Your bags are dropping. It's about that time. Murder my mind. Murder my mind. You commit that crime. I'm tired of being kind. People take my kindness for weakness, like I got a vagina, not a penis. What the fuck is game? What the hell you mean this? You already know what that mean. Come on, dog, what you saying? I don't give a fuck what you doing, nigga. Going out there, son. This how the game is still just playing. The mob life rap, mob life with the weapon that I grab for the motherfucker to come past. Just to feel to get blast, little niggas get killed. You already know they ain't be the past, nigga. They ain't see my life is real. You already know when I got touched with that night, yeah, it was hard to feel. The nigga was damn sleeping. So when I was in the coma, little niggas in the hood, son, and I was like asleep for like 3 weekends. Little niggas come around saying, you already know it. And when I was awake, I came to speed, and you already know in the hood, when they took out the tray out my neck, I started to show these little motherfuckers disrespect. You already know no love, son. I couldn't get it back, motherfucker, hold up. So then they gave me smashed on me. So now an MOB, rather fuck niggas up in the game, son. Now I'm done. Now I'm talking about the cemetery. Cause that's all you bitch ass niggas wanna meet me yet. You rather get buried. Motherfucker, what you saying? You already know in the game when I chop off your neck. I'm crazy with it. Take your head off your shoulders. I'm right here, young. I'm a soldier. I'm still standing tall, little niggas a one-man army. That's why I'm out with motherfuckers who wanna come to harm me. I killed my dad, or no, I might kill my mommy. I don't give a fuck, niggas so sad. Now I really know that Tommy keep a bustin'. Extend the clip, you already know I'm getting rushed, I'm losing my function. Come on, dog, yeah, you already know, son, get confused. But two of the guns that I love to use, nigga, these chump niggas trying to take a son, take a win, nigga. And watch me keep on taking the lose. Cause I'm struggling. Little nigga pissing the game, son. You already know shoulders is struggling and struggling. You already know in the hood, son. Man, you on my dick now and wanna get this sucking it. Little nigga hold up in the hood, son. While I'm out this bust something, young. You already know how I do, like nuts in your face. You already know in the game, son, it's murder, young. You know where that take place. Little nigga, where I'm at. The hillside with the rap. At the hillside with the strap. At the hillside right here, son, I got it. Little niggas already know, son. Niggas a game around here. You already know how I do, but it ain't. Man, you wanna be a God-loving motherfucker, yeah, you wanna be a saint. Call me a crazy motherfucker, little bitch in the hood, son. Middle name insane. Come on, dog, this shit never change. Little niggas already know how I be right. Little niggas in the hood is mob life. This shit never going dead, never die. You already know the sign is right here, right? Murder off the, I told you, it's always the topic. Off with your head when I'm off with all the niggas and chop it quick. No hesitation, no breath taking. Motherfucker hold up with the breath was making. Little niggas out there, I kill your ass naked. Cause I don't give a fuck, nigga, I ain't fake with it. So suspicious, I don't give a fuck with that. Little bitch ass niggas see bitches and little niggas hold up, say it's delicious. Come on, dog, little niggas hold up, yeah, no, get what you wishes. Death wish, that's what you about to get, cause you already know you're on my list. I'm about to get them quick, little niggas hold up, you ain't about to exist. About to resist, like you're trying to dip and get away from your pistol son, cause you know we pissed. Dang. My life, new shit, motherfucker, come around, about to drop your body pops, get the body chop, little nigga so dumb, bitch. Murder murder my mind, body dropping, it's about that time. Murder my mind, you commit that crime, Taliban kind. Murder my mind, your body is dropping, it's about that time. Murder my mind, you commit that crime, Taliban kind. Say intro of the murder my mind, the murder season, you already know it's about that time. You already know, let me tell you the reason, cause you know niggas around here, you're wasting my time, getting on my nerves, trying to play with me, little niggas keep on staring at me. I'm gonna take your eyes at your motherfucking head, little nigga. You better stare at these streets, come on, bitch. You already know it's heat that I'm about to put at your motherfucking temple. Come on, dog, that shit looking tender. Someone put the trigger down, and I'm about to listen to it dribble. Look at me taking these bullets and dribble it. Come on, dog, yeah, nigga. You know, put it in your mouth. Like when I pull my dick out. Come on, dog, now the clip is now. No, I'm so foul mouth. Who the fuck gonna do something? This is my house. Little nigga rock the game, interrupted, invaded. Like an invasion, like an alien, son, it's amazing. Why these little niggas think they can erase me and misplace me? Come on, dog, under the dirt. Little niggas already know, wonder why I can't get hurt. You already know, but I can make you feel the motherfucking pain literally. Little ass niggas, you little with me. Little bitch ass niggas always giggling, son. Little niggas want to treat, want to heat. Want some beef, little nigga. Come on, dog, I'm ready for war. The little niggas keep on coming around like they really ready for that evil ass boy. Come on, dog, that nigga they call little pistol. Give me the bow. Little nigga, let me put your face in it. And I'm gonna pull the trigger, son. If it it's about to be a murder case, then go over no devil chasing. Little niggas think it's a game, motherfucker. Hold up, it's amazing. Ever glazing. Like in the middle of nowhere, little nigga see y'all in your new place and with a pistol bill. You ever see how little pistol live? Little skinny young nigga do. Now life you rapping. Come on, though, you already know, son. The MOB, son. You already know, special weapon. Like when I push a button, now everybody get harmed, young. You already know, son, for frontin'. Little nigga, hold up what you need when pushing the last button. Hold up, young. Yeah, son, with a judge ducking. Come on, son, trying to give me sentence. Come on, dog, unit gang, young. We gonna finish this. Come on, son, let's blow motherfuckers' brains loose. You never know that dick. Disappeared. Come on, dog, up in the whip, like in the air. Come on, son, like a motherfucking ghost. Come on, celebrate going to space, y'all be see, John. We'll overdose over these motherfucking jokes. Pussy ass nigga, gun smoke motherfucker. Murder my mind, your bags is dropping, it's about that time. Murder my mind, you commit that crime, I'm tired of mankind. Murder my mind, your bags is dropping, it's about that time. Murder my mind, commit that crime. Trying to punish you, motherfucker. New shit. 2024 freestyle you rappers. The motherfucking president is bitch. LIL Pistol. Yeah, motherfucker. MOB. I'm back. pistol.